Today I want to show you how to start to work with Scratch, and before we get started, you should set up an account in Scratch. So if you haven't done that yet, on the first page just go to this link, scratch.mit.edu, and that'll take you to this page, and then you just join Scratch. I've already joined, so I have that. This is not through the school, so you don't have to use your school email. In fact, it might be better to use your own personal email. The only thing you're sharing is the stuff that you want to share, so this is your private Scratch account. Anyway, once you have that set up, you're going to want to open up on the next page this link right here, the Scratch MIT projects, unless I have another link for it somewhere else, and that's going to take you to the original Snack Attack template. And basically what this is a game created by someone else that we'll use as a template to work off of. So just to show you how it works, if I hit the green flag here, the game starts to play. When I press the spacebar, I can hit the left and right keys, and there's a character, and the idea is to catch the flying cupcake, which I'm doing a pretty good job of. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to make your own version excuse me, of this game that you're going to be able to use. So I'm going to stop this right now, and what you're going to want to do is click See Inside, and then we'll get into all this later, but you're going to want to remix this. So copy it to your page, so hit remix, and then it's really up to you what you want to call this. Like you could call it my very first game ever, exclamation point, or something like that. And this is when now you're basically ready to get started. So that's just a quick setup. What we're essentially going to be doing, like I said, is playing around with, messing with what you see here. These are called sprites, right? And what you see as your sprite template, so that's a treat right now, and what you see for the catcher. And then also you're going to be playing around with the background. As you can see, there's a lot of other stuff going on. There's all this, it's not exactly, it's programming, but it's programming using objects to program. And someone's done all that work for us. So you can play around with these and tweak these. You can also manipulate the sounds. And if we have time, we can get to that. But if you don't have a programming background, don't worry. This is still a very approachable process.